Life spells what? Life. Yeah. So, how do you define it? And if it has a purpose, tell me, how do you find it? Yes, it is true. There's a Jew who designed it, and if he paved the way, then tell me, are you in alignment? See, his will is first. Are you behind it, or are you up front like James 1, double-minded? See, if you're sitting satisfied with everything that comes your way every day, that means every day you're declining, and still water runs real deep until it hits soil and leave a puddle sitting there. It just gets spoiled. And you say, oh, that is what I'm not doing. But if your life is not inside of Christ, then you were not moving. Read it, Matthew 10:39. My Christians, start losing. Stop pursuing everything the world is doing. And make a stand for the great I am. And if it's not meant to glorify the Son of Man, lose it. But are we really trying to live it? Justify ourselves by saying that we repented? No. Not the one that struggles and stumbles just to finish, but that one who runs the race and ain't even trying to win it. See, we see the prize, but we ain't even trying to get it. Too busy using works to build an image, call it fitness. Feeling free while we're living in a prison. No wheats, only tears, because they only bring division. See, trying to trust in your efforts, you will fail. And life is but a vapor, so you better inhale and trust that one who was impaled to live life trying to turn Isaac into Ishmael. See, the walking dead are alive men who don't realize that the law will only revive sin. It's a paradox, like if I lose it, I win. Like I'm afraid of that dark, my light is shining. And we are not to be bound with unbelievers. So why believers are bound to things that please the unbelievers who do not share in our faith? Like if you stand with them, how you going to stare in their face? And if your hands with them holding up the things they embrace, how can you relate with the gospel? They will think you are fake. The same sins, the same thing if you just stuff in your face. And just because you know a word does not mean you can translate. Hey, it's all or nothing. That is undisputable. But a half-stepping Christian has become the usual. How can the gospel share a feeling that's mutual with the world? The believers have become delusional. They lost focus, or they lost their faith. Now they headed for danger, just like they lost in space. They left the mirror and forgot they face, seeing themselves in position but are not in place.